Hi, this is Raven. Since I did a couple of videos on how to get AI to shoot objects, you guys have asked me quite a bit to show you how to get a gunner, whether it's in a vehicle or on foot, to shoot objects and to be able to shoot them on the fly. So I believe one of the videos was how to get the AI to shoot objects like static, so that was ideal for a range scenario. The other video was to get laser designated long range ordnance support. So that was, from a mortar, artillery, or CAS. So what I've got here is three scripts, one for the guys, one for the vehicles, and one for the helis. And I'll just show you it working first, and then I'll show you how we get it working. Just turn the sound back on. Right, so I've got the guys on radio alpha. So see, I'm just aiming my crosshair on that guy out there. There we go. And I've got the marshal on radio bravo. So we'll just get the marshal to destroy the house in case there was someone inside it. And we'll get the heli to light up the fuel truck. We can get the tank to hit this artillery unit over here. Got on Delta. Just to show you that the same script works on any vehicle. There you go. So let's go through how we set it up. Obviously this scenario here was just done for demo purposes. The guy is just an auto rifleman, and I've given him a name of S1 for Soldier 1. When you drop in the, so in this case I've dropped in the Marshal, they have a driver, a gunner, and a commander. You need to take the commander out and get rid of it, and you can leave the driver in, but if you're going to leave the driver in, I would have control of it, because obviously if he gets under attack in your scenario, he's likely to drive away. So we're only interested in the gunner, so I've given the gunner a name of S2, and that's literally all you do. And same with the tank. The only time this is different is in the helicopter, so we don't touch the guys in the helicopter, we just change the helicopter name. So I've just called it H1. So don't worry about the guys, just the helicopter. And each one has got its own trigger. So let's open the Marshal's trigger. So activation, we've got it on Bravo. Repeatable, we want it repeatable. And then you just got to paste in this line here in the on activation. And this line will be in the script that I will provide in my Dropbox. So you just download the script, stick it in your mission folder, and then obviously change whatever you call your gunner. So that's that. And then next we will look at the script. Right, let's have a look at the scripts. So the script name, just in case you're wondering, WR is White Raven, VIC for vehicle, unit, and heli, obviously helicopter, and the FOC is just abbreviation for fire on cursor. So if we open up the unit, I've given you some simple instructions. Just as we've discussed in the video. Place a unit and give it a name. Place a trigger and sort out the following. Obviously pick whatever radio type you want. But really all you've got to do is copy and paste that line into your on activation and change that in there to whatever you've called your gunner. It's that simple. The vehicle exactly the same. Instructions there. Really all you got to do is copy and paste that and change your gunner name. Same with the heady. Sort that out, copy and paste that, change your heady name. I will just go through the unit because there are some extras in here. So I developed this one for the default 6.5 MX rifle, which has a 30 round mag. And obviously if you're using a different rifle then and has a different size mag, you might want to have a little play to make sure that they don't run out of ammo. So that's what I've got down here. This last one is add magazines, so it's just going to give them 2 magazines after each time they go through the loop. And I've given you an extra little note here. If they go below 4, the AI sort of shoot like one shot as if they're sparingly using the ammo. So I always want to keep it above 4 in their inventory. So yeah, just get rid of those 2 lines there, and then in the side chat it will tell you before he starts how many mags he's got, and then when he's finished how many mags he's got, and then if you do it again and the same, it gives the same figures, then you know you've got your amount of mags right. Obviously if it keeps going down, then you want to give him more mags, or he's got get too many, less mags. Okay, so it's that simple. I think that covers it all, so good luck with that.